loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a talk through review, I guess you would say, for a new wig that I received courtesy of ZURY. But before I get into that, I was sent this cute little bonnet from GLEEMADE. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like from the back. So I thought that this bonnet was super cute. It allows for you to put your hair out of your face if you want to put it in the bonnet because it is an extra large bonnet, or it allows you not to look crazy. You know how when we be having our wig caps on, you know, when we're doing our makeup before we put on the wig, then it allows for just a cute little look while, you know, getting the job done. Okay, so this bonnet is currently $20, but I do have a code for you guys, so it'll be down in the description box, the link as well as the code. So if you guys want to invest in one, then definitely go ahead and do that. Okay, love, so I thought that it would be pretty cool for me to do kind of like a talk through review on this unit that I received, and I'm going to show you guys very shortly because I received a different color that I've never tried before, and I'm not quite sure how it's going to look on my skin tone. So I thought it would be a real treat for you guys to see my initial reaction to how I feel about it. But the unit that I received is this unit right here. Again, this wig is courtesy of ZURY Hollywood. So they were kind enough to send me this unit right here, which is SW Lace H ELLIS from their Royal Swiss Lace Premium Class collection, and it's in the color FFT Toffee. And so yeah, as you guys can see, I'm not quite sure what color it's supposed to be besides toffee, but I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like an ash blonde, but it's not quite blonde. It's like a dirty sandy blonde ash. I don't know, y'all. It's a very different color, let's just say that. Upon looking at it, first reaction, I'm not sure if I'm gonna like it, but you know, we'll see. It might surprise me, might, you know. But upon pulling it out, so this is what it looks like. It has the little crown thing up top. Do we know what these do? Like, I don't know what they're supposed to do, but either way, that's what's up top. So I'm taking the net off. So that's me taking the net off. So you guys see this color? It's a very unique is my middle name, for real. But yeah, it's a very unique color, y'all. So I'm glad that I wore a black shirt so that you guys can focus on the hair, and I did a very neutral makeup look because I knew that I wasn't sure about this hair color. So yeah, so let's continue to take her out. So that's what she looks like. I feel like it's brown up top, and then it goes into this funky little color down here. Is that toffee? Like, I don't know, what does toffee look like? I think toffee is brown, right? So I don't know what color this is. So let me read the stock card for you guys. So it is a lace front that comes with natural baby hair. So I'll show this up close. You can use heat on it up to 400 degrees. And then it says it has naturally blended edges. So that's where it's supposed to be, like basically pre-plucked, you know, is basically what they're saying. So it has natural baby hairs, which is what you see right here. And then it comes with natural edges, which is what you see right here, which is basically like being pre-plucked. So from what I can see from the inside, it definitely looks natural and like a natural hairline. So I'm definitely feeling that looking from the inside part. So as you guys can see, this is a middle part. I believe you can shift it if you want to wear it on, you know, the right or left side part. But as you can see, there isn't any lace right here. It does come with 2 combs right here. And then I think it has a 3rd comb, yeah, right here. As well as it does come with adjustable straps as usual. So again, this is the color of the unit, that FFT Toffee. And FFT, I know FF stands for face framing, which is right here. You see this color right here? These are like face framing highlights, but I'm not sure what the T stands for. But if you guys know, let me know down in the comment section. But yeah, so it has like these little face framing highlights right here. So let's just go ahead and, you know, put her on, see what she looks like. Okay, y'all, so let's see. So as you guys see, I did not have my wig grip on like I normally do because I wasn't sure how much of the lace was going to be showing. Already, I definitely love the fit of this unit. It's snug on my head as soon as I put it on. I love how it looks natural already without, I didn't put any powder on it. I haven't cut the lace off, but it's already definitely looking natural. Now, y'all, I haven't looked up yet, so I'm not looking up just yet to see what this color looks like. So she's interesting. This is definitely an interesting color. Now, do I know if I love her yet? I don't know. So I know that once I cut the lace off and I, you know, create whatever, you know, baby hairs I might create, I'm definitely going to go ahead and brush her out just so I can see what she looks like at maximum volume. But I'm still not sure about the color. Like, I just feel like the color looks like different, you know? Y'all know I try to step out the box so that you guys can get just a variety of colors on my channel. And so that's why I decided to go ahead and try this toffee color. But you know, some colors are a hit, some colors are a miss. I haven't quite decided, so let me go ahead and do my little customizations, and then we'll come back and I'll see what my final thoughts are. So you guys should have just saw how I did these very minimal customizations. Like, y'all, what I will say about this unit is that this unit is perfect as far as construction goes. I absolutely love that the lace looks so natural. Like, y'all, this lace, like, I didn't even have to put powder on it. Now what I did notice is it looked more natural right here, but then towards the back it had, like, I don't know, some white. I don't know if it's something that's under the construction of the cap where it was like a little bit more white, so I just put a little powder back here, but I didn't put any powder up front, as you guys should have saw. Also, you guys see I didn't even create any baby hairs. Like, I just felt like they weren't needed. Like, that would have just been going the extra mile. And honestly, like, although I love the unit now, I don't see me keeping this unit in my collection. And so I was like, what's the point in doing all of that extra stuff to it? I think that it looks pretty natural as is. I also love the fact that it feels like a great fit on my head. Again, you guys always ask me if it's big head friendly. I'm not sure. If I have a big head, then I guess it's big head friendly. It feels perfect to me. Like, it's not too snug, it's not too big, it just absolutely feels perfect to me. I also love the fact that if I wanted to put some type of adhesive or anything, like, one, I don't even think I need adhesive. Like, it feels snug enough to where I could wear it without my wig grip, which is amazing. And actually it feels snug enough to where I don't feel like I need to put like any got to be glue or any kind of gel on it to secure it. But I love how natural the edges look. Like, y'all, this thing right here, now my baby hairs come out a little far on the sides and it just blends perfectly like with my baby hairs. If I wanted to use their baby hairs, again, I can, but it's all about a matter of preference. I did go ahead and put it behind my ear, and look, like the tab, see the tab, because I didn't glue it down, but even if I was to glue it down or something, like, it still looks perfect. The lace makes it blend so perfect to where it just looks so natural. So I'm absolutely loving all of that. Those would be my pros about this unit. As far as cons, I don't feel like this color is a con. I feel like I can pull it off, and I'm pulling it off. I'm definitely glad that I brushed out the unit because I don't like my units too nice and neat or too perfect. It definitely gives me like Beyonce vibes, like, you know, the little crinkled things that Beyonce wears. That's definitely what this unit is giving me as far as like the curl pattern, or the pattern I should say. So as far as the color, I feel like it's a matter of preference. I definitely would not call this color a con. I feel like I can pull it off, and I do feel like, you know, it's actually very sexy, very cute. Would I rock it all the time, or, you know, even keep it in my collection? I'm still trying to figure that out. Let me go outside and I'll take some pics and see, you know, how it looks as far as like in the sunlight. But other than that, my overall thoughts about this unit is I do love this unit. If it was in a 1B, y'all, this unit would be perfect. So yeah, you guys let me know how you feel about this unit. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.